Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So kuvele kwacaca nje from everyone knows the same story as uMangwabi knows about kulotsholwa kwaSamkeni and all that. UMakhubalo was left shocked to say, hayi bo, mina all this time mina ngilwa namakhosikazi kaMusa because of this and that. Kanti no, yena kanjani uyambuza uMakhubalo kuMusa ukuthi kanti uSamke ulotsholwe nini? Everyone was shocked to find out ukuthi uSamke wasilobola ngo-2023 lapha etafuleni. Bathi bona they don't know. Bona bathi ukuthi uSamkena wazilobolathi while uMusa was sick esibhedlela and uLwandle was the one who was told to go ayokukhipha imali bahambe bakhonge, which is uMacele's family. BakwaCele went and did that. Kodwa uMusa uthi no, that's not what happened. What happened was kukhona induna yaseMangweni and a certain man that he invited and gave them things on 2023, 17 December. Yayisent up and gave them espuzo and the money, and he even said that 50 cows ngito leti batotisebenzisa to pay the lobola for uMakhwela. Do you understand? So uMusa lobola uMakhwela around December 2023. But labafazi laba, they didn't know anything about that because uthi uMusa, they were against it, and he was never going to tell someone ngaphandle kokuthi atshele uMacele. And if atotshela someone who's second or third or wife, would be wrong of him angakatsheli ubani uMacele. So uMacele was not told. Everyone else didn't know. Now iyavela ukuthi uSamke ulotsholwe ngo-2023, Macele knows that, and everyone else doesn't know ukuthi uMakhwela was lobola ngo-2023. That's why it seems like uMacele is the one who was yayibona. And uMusa like, hey, Musa is a lot, guys. Musa kusho ukuthi Musa is a lot. I'm just gonna go there. uMakhwela, we get a chance to see uMakhwela and Baby Matt bathi uyahamba namazinyo fyunyana, and bosisi kaMakhwela bathi when are they leaving uBaby Matt and uMakhwela to go to the Mseleko homestand. And uSamke is saying that no, we are still here because umyeni wami is still trying to salvage something lekanayo khona le ekhaya and make sure that kufika kwami akufiki kubhidliza and all that. Usisi wakhe yena is like sonceka kakhulu le ndoda. Why bafana? Because they can just say that this is what goes and then bafazi bazolandela. Why is it so hard for Umseliku to tell them because this is what is happening? Plus, why is he worried because umamkhulu already accepted ukuthi uMakhwela ukhona and uthi uMakhwela yena I don't know what is going on and what are the other factors that are making labalabanye not comfortable to be around me or include me things that goes with the family, because she is part of the family if she was global at 2023. It's just that we didn't know. So Makhwela is saying that I don't know what other aspects yabon that are benefiting to this. Kodwa mine ngizolinda. Oh, sesi wakhe was carrying on. Yo Nkosi yami, yo Jesus Christ, Jesus. uMakhumalo, no Mangwabi nabo, they had a chance to sit down and catch up with dinner that they had. A lot of things just seems like my discrepancies somewhere. There's something that doesn't make sense to Ubona, because it seems like Umseleko when he's fighting with Yuna, uzohamba akhulume kabi and all that. uMacele yena had a chance to meet uSisinondo for a therapy again, like a session yana. And Sisi asked her, what is it that you feel like can happen to make this relationship with everyone else isebenze kahle kamnandi? Uthi uMacele yena, she feels like Umseleko should stop lying, because if angakhoni kumele indzaba yakhe vele uthi uMacele, that's it. Cabanga guys, uMacele knows that Umseleko has been lying about her. Now, if this if the other wives don't see eye to eye with uMacele akacabangi nje kuyena kuthi no man, Umseleko Shows uyiphinzile le nto yakhe somewhere. He did something. And when they asked him what uMacele uthi, remember uMakhwele asked about something emalobolo few weeks back. Because okay, how is the situation going to happen and whatnot and whatnot? Nifika nini, nizocedisa and all that. Umsele kwathi yena uMakhwela should ask uMacele. And uMakhwela was like, how? I should ask uMacele, communication that should happen between me and uMacele. Huh? Umacele mawambuza ukuthi how does it make you feel? Uthi iyasilwisa as bafati because asikhona ukubambana and hold each other accountable because everything like ayikhuluma kusuka imanga about this one kulona, about this one kulona. For uMacele yena it's worse because ku-everyone uthi uhamba athi umacele. And then laba labayelekelanga uyasho ukuthi hhayi umayeni kumbe uma kwabo or kanjani kodwa uMacele it's always like uMacele. uMacele uthi Msaleko, if he wants this whole thing to work, he should stop lying about her. Ufuneka eme asensiya decide ukuthi okay, this is what is happening, angithi this is what is happening and we're going nayo. Uyakwazi ukuthi he's been lying. Usho njalo uthi I know. One of her kids akasakhumbuli kahle ukuthi u-Abongo or ubani that asked her ukuthi uhlaleleni, why did you decide to stay to this mshado or stable thinking? So now it feels like abantwana bakhe they want a better life for her kodwa yena uyasifela ngomseli kushem. When they said love, she was like, he's my earthly king. I love him from the day I met him. I still love him the same way. Abafazi they were laughing and you say like I don't give a zip who's laughing and they know why they're laughing. Kodwa mina nje ngimthanda kwazana. Mayeni chani yakhe, she was like, now I will answer you tomorrow. Tomorrow is when I will have the answer. Ukuthi ngithandane and whatnot. Umangwabo was like, uthando, a long time ago left it. Noma Khumalo naye hayi, it's not easy love this one. It's a story for another day. I cannot did it. So Umseleko is facing these wives, 4 of them. One of them, Usumacele, wishes she's satisfied with everything. She says 98% Umseleko has been the man that she prayed for, except Listimp. But everything else, no, it's 100. 2 of them are saying that mina nje it's for love khona ngangifake. We're still waiting for Umayeni, and then there's uMakhwela who still wants to be added to this balo. Uzoba khona kanjani mara Umseleko labafazi guys? How is he going to corner them? Angazi shem, angazi.